Yeah, so in this level we're talking about pentatonic chords. Now, so it's not a difficult something. What is a chord? A chord is playing more than one note at the same time. So when you play this, you're playing a note. When you play two, you're playing a harmony because one is harmonizing the other. But when you play more than one, you're playing a chord. So these three together, to me, it's a chord. It's a very odd sounding chord, but it's a chord nonetheless. Now, this is a pentatonic scale. Right? So, the four of them together, they are a chord. Now, there are various inversions of chord. If you don't know what inversion means, it just means arrangements. Instead of pressing do here, you can pick do from here. You understand? It's okay. This is a pentatonic chord. There's another way to play it. Depending on your fingers, you can play like this. That's re, mi, sol, la. That's another chord. You can decide to play like this. Mi, sol, la, do. Watch me play mi, sol, la, do. This is my favorite of the pentatonic chord. Okay, watch the initial one. This is the one we've been playing. Watch this one. This sounds really sweet. So that's that. Now, I just played this in one inversion. Now you can use different inversions. While you are playing, you're using this, you're playing before you know you've jumped to the next one, which is this is one of the inversions. That's the one I'm playing with. As long as you know that you're staying there, just be random on it. And when you're tired of that, you go to the next one. You can rush. So I rushed using these two. So basically, what I'm trying to say is, we've been playing with this. You should know there are different pentatonic scale. You can play this as well. You can play this as well. You can as well go ahead and play this. Different arrangements. So wherever you go, just dance on it, play and be random on it. I think there's one more arrangement, and that is this. That's the last arrangement. So basically, but in all, this is my favorite is this arrangement. So that's my favorite arrangement. This, how you know the arrangement, you only, once you play a pentatonic arrangement, take this away, pick the next one and rearrange your fingers. That's 1, 2, 4, 5 fingers. Take this away, pick the next one, rearrange your fingers. Do you understand? Take this away, rearrange your fingers. You can pause this video to see exactly what I'm doing. Take this away, rearrange your fingers, and then you're back to the original one. I call it pentatonic inversions. I've never seen it anywhere. I just invented it. So hope that was good. Hope that was insightful. See you in the next level.